she completely rejected me saying that तेरा गाना नहीं है ये हो ही नहीं सकता. But I get in that zone and I let myself free. So I wrote this song called जीने दो. It goes like जीने दो मुझे दो पल, रोज आता है कल, आज खुल के पीने दो. Hi, this is Gajendra Verma and you're watching me on Femina India.
What's the story behind the first song you ever wrote?
So I think the first song which I ever wrote was एक कहानी, जो मैंने उसके बनने के में भी 10 साल बाद ही रिलीज हुआ होगा वो, पर वो बना था when I was 17. No, I think I was 15 or 16. I was in 11th or 12th standard. उससे पहले I remember very clearly, I never thought about like writing a song. I never really tried and make a song, and then one fine day I was sitting in my room. Like an hour, I wrote a song, and my sister was downstairs and I played it to her. I was very excited, and she completely rejected me saying that तेरा गाना नहीं है ये हो ही नहीं सकता. So that was like my first memory of the song.
How does a melody usually come to you? Randomly or through structured brainstorming?
For melody, I think I go into this zone. Takes few things, a little time to get in that zone, but I get in that zone and I let myself free, and I keep note of whatever I'm doing at that point of time कि उसमें से क्या अच्छा लग रहा है. So I keep it very free, very open, and उसमें से जो parts मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं I like take it out and make it a structure.
What's your favorite lyric from one of your own songs?
One of my old song, I think I already told you, it's one line which I wrote, and I really like that line. I don't know how it came to me. I think it was more about that, जिसके लिए लिखा था, that person rubbing on me. So the line is, तू पूरा चांद है, मैं सागर की लहर, कोई तूफान उठे, छू लूं तुझे अगर.
Now that we know that Rohan Rathore was just a story, which other song of yours has the most unexpected backstory?
Unexpected backstory. I think Tera Ghata would be that song. And recently, actually, I have this song called जीने दो. उसके पीछे एक बहुत interesting story है. So when it's like concert season and you're doing album and then you're traveling for your concerts back to back, then you have interviews and everything. So I wrote this song called जीने दो, which was kind of like a outburst of my, not irritation exactly, but like my exhaustion at that time. That was जीने दो. It goes like जीने दो मुझे दो पल, रोज आता है कल, आज खुल के पीने दो.
If you could collaborate with any international artist, who would it be and why?
Has to be Bruno Mars. First of all, see him in the action. That's the most desirable want which I have. Second would be, I think he's so lovely in whatever he does. The way he combines the beauty of music to its technicality to the reach which he has in the commercial aspect. I think that's something I really, really admire in him. So would love to see him in action.
Do you have a song that you wish more people noticed or appreciated?
There is a song which I did with Jonita. It's called Ab Aaja. I think it's a very beautifully written song. It's written by Asim Ahmed, and Jonita has sung beautifully, of course, as always. I think people should listen to that.
What's one rule you always break?
Like, I always try and put myself into a certain lane that for some time you have to walk this lane. That's the rule for you for at least like coming 3-4 months, and then before I know it, it's already broken. Like, I'm out of the lane.
If you had to delete all but 3 apps from your phone, which ones would you keep?
Spotify, WhatsApp, and Pinterest.